Want to accept credit card payments directly through your online forms? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect Stripe, a leading payment processor, to Jotform, a popular form builder. This integration allows you to collect payments for event registrations, product orders, donations, and more, all without redirecting users to a separate checkout page. Let's get started. Jotform provides an easy-to-use form-building platform that allows anyone to create custom forms without coding knowledge. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to build surveys, applications, and order forms for various purposes. Stripe provides a secure and reliable payment processing service used by millions of businesses worldwide. It handles credit card transactions, subscriptions, and international payments with built-in fraud prevention and compliance features. When you integrate Stripe into Jotform, you can collect payments directly within your forms without redirecting users to external checkout pages. This creates a seamless experience where form submission and payment happen in one step. The integration uses Stripe's Elements API to securely embed payment fields like card number, expiration date, and CVC directly into your Jotform forms. This ensures a consistent look and feel while maintaining security. Sensitive payment information is tokenized, meaning it's converted into a unique string that can be used for processing without exposing the actual card details. This ensures compliance with PCI DSS standards and protects your users' data from breaches. Stripe handles fraud detection using machine learning algorithms that analyze transaction patterns in real time. This automatically flags suspicious activity and prevents unauthorized charges, providing an additional layer of security for your payment forms. To start connecting Stripe to Jotform, you first need a Stripe account. This account will serve as your payment processing hub, securely handling all transactions through their infrastructure. If you don't already have a Stripe account, head over to stripe.com. The website features a clean interface where you can sign up for a free account. Stripe offers a generous free tier that includes basic payment processing capabilities. Once your account is created and verified, you'll access the Stripe dashboard. This comprehensive interface shows your account metrics, including subscription data, monthly recurring revenue, and customer distribution worldwide. Navigate to the API section in your dashboard to obtain your API keys. You'll see both test and live keys, publishable and secret keys for each mode. These keys are essential for securely connecting Stripe to external platforms like Jotform. Remember to keep your API keys secure at all times. Never share them publicly or commit them to code repositories. Stripe provides tools for key rotation and environment-specific keys to maintain security. These API keys will be used in the next steps to establish a secure connection between your Stripe account and Jotform, enabling seamless payment processing within your forms. Begin by opening your form in the Jotform form builder. This is where you'll add the payment processing capabilities. Once your form is open, navigate to the Payments tab in the Form Builder menu. In the Payments section, select Stripe as your payment gateway from the available options. You'll be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. For security, use the OAuth option to establish a secure connection. Copy your API keys from the Stripe dashboard. For real payments, make sure to use the live API keys, not the test keys. Now that your Stripe account is connected, it's time to configure the payment fields in your Jotform. Start by adding essential fields like amount and currency to collect payment information directly within your form. Set up rules to manage required fields and conditional logic for variable pricing. Mark essential fields like amount as required, and use conditional logic to adjust prices based on user selections, such as different service tiers. Customize your payment options with recurring payments for subscriptions, allowing automatic billing for monthly or annual plans. Enable multi-currency support so customers can pay in over 135 currencies without conversion issues. Finally, create custom thank you pages to show personalized confirmations and order details after successful payments. These configurations ensure your form collects payments securely through Stripe's Elements API, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Before you start accepting real payments, it's crucial to test your integration. Use Stripe's test mode to simulate transactions and ensure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, switch to live mode in both Stripe and Jotform. Configure webhooks in Stripe to receive real-time updates on payment statuses, refunds, and disputes directly within Jotform. Webhooks are essential for automating post-payment actions, like sending email confirmations. Security is paramount when handling payments. Both Stripe and Jotform implement robust security measures to protect your data and your customers' information. Stripe uses end-to-end encryption to secure all transactions and complies with PCI DSS Level 1 standards, the highest level of compliance. Jotform supports two-factor authentication for accounts and provides audit logs for tracking all transaction activities. In late 2025, Stripe introduced mandatory 3D Secure 2.0 authentication to meet EU PSD2 regulations and reduce fraud. Jotform's platform automatically supports this advanced authentication without requiring additional configuration from users. Together, these security measures ensure safe and compliant payment processing. Embedded payments are growing rapidly, offering improved user experiences and higher conversion rates. Future integrations may incorporate AI for dynamic pricing and personalized recommendations. The Red Cross used Jotform Stripe for disaster relief forms, collecting millions in donations. A small business, EcoWare, boosted sales by 50% by integrating Stripe into Jotform product order forms. The market for no-code payment integrations is projected to reach $50 billion by 2030. With Stripe's dominance and Jotform's versatility, the future of form-based payments is bright.